What's going on, all my players? It's Domestic Play 3 here with Colby2K7, and we're playing some Saints Row the 3rd. I know it's not Saints Row 4.
Hey.
Colby, you're getting fucked up already. Hey, get the fuck off, Colby. I shot the pedestrian, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna have this little race to the airport, and then we're gonna 1v1 in air, Warthog. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. See you, nigga. Whee! Now you see, I could still lose. I could hit a car. Oh, limousine, time out. I need the limousine. Fuck it. Ow, fuck. Limousine fucking me up. Oh shit. Ah! Oh god. Fuck. God damn it.
Oh crap, I went with you.
Well, shit. Oh, we're in Zombie Island. Shit. You need a ride, nigga? Oh wait, no, yeah, I'm ride.
Yeah, I got my little one.
Shit, how do we get out of here? Fuck! Oh my god.
I'll meet you there.
Most likely, because I don't know how the fuck to get out. I'm bouncing around the walls like Donkey Kong. You get... Oh shit! That was almost cool. Oh, I know what you did. Fucking cheater.
What did I do?
You took a boat. Faggot. I got this. I got this. Shit, yeah, you won.
You calling a freaking VTOL?
No, I'm in my boat. I should have called him the VTOL. Fuck. I'm not a cheater, I'm just special.
God dang it, folks. You going slower?
No. I got a fucking Miami, suck it. Wait, am I actually gonna win this? I'm gonna win this. Actually, no, I'm not. Because now my fucking boat's starting to bounce because I went too fast. I'm going too fast. Nigga! I wish this boat had NOS. I see your name tag, or fucking health bar.
Yeah, you can see all the way across the map.
Prissy down. I swear to God, my cat starts fucking with everything. I'm gonna punch the shit out of it. I'd never do that to my cat.
Stay out of my way!
Ow, I tripped.
You lost to the best!
You faggot! Damn it! Sorry.
Oh, no! I got contact. Contact, whatever.
I got this. Shit. Damn it, you won. You have to admit, I caught up after you got that huge freaking lead. Alright, so now you just gotta get a Warthog, so. Ow. Where's the Warthog? I gotta get my own, over here. Jesus Christ. Bail. That was a fail out of bail. That was a rhyme of crime. Crime bad. Alright, I don't even know why I have 2 woodpeckers and 2 warthogs, but... Alright, go.
No. I gotta put my purpose on.
I just gotta get up in the air first, so... Hurry up! Oh my god, hey!
Dude, don't.
Oh my god, no! I got this. I didn't even kill you. You're garbage. You're garbage, bro.
Give me your warthog.
Yeah, I'll get you a warthog. Don't worry. Oh shit. Shit. Fuck. God damn it.
I'm dead.
No. That wasn't even right. I jumped out and parachuted, but then
Yeah, I'll keep from dying.
that don't do it. Unpause it,
No, I'm
dude.
just saying.
Oh my god.
Um,
Okay, so Colby is the guy who's giving me GTA 5 for Christmas, and he's also the guy I'm starting the dual YouTube channel with during Christmas break, and we haven't thought of a name of it yet, and we haven't even made it yet. We're just making plans for it. Colby, you have anything to say?
Word is a big shipment of weapons is coming in.
I didn't even hear you because you fucking hit triangle to answer the cell phone.
If you get the first pick to sell.
dead.
You said, "What's up, my niggas?"
I'll be there in a second.
Alright. I'll have a warthog ready for you. Actually, I might not because... Hold up, give me a second.
I'm going to bed, keep it down.
Alright. Alright, so I got your warthog, but I had to park it away so it doesn't go into my garage, so you're gonna have to drive towards it.
Hey.
There's the other warthog.
Ooh.
Shh, what?
So I saw the warthog. Oh, no.
Wee.
Coming for you, boy.
That's cool.
Coming for you.
Warthog
Although
one.
you have to stay in the airport area.
We have to? Fuck you, this is my recording. Oh shit. Wee. Jesus Christ. This isn't fair, you're behind me so I can't get a shot off of you.
So,
That's not fucking fair, faggot.
this is your recording. You would die. Oh, crap.
This is gonna last forever. Wait, I got an idea. You fucking idiot, I win.
Dang it, where's the lock on? Give me another one.
Shit.
What?
Swerve. Swerve. Swerve.
Okay.
Fucking. Fuck. Thank you. Fuck. Hey, buddy, you know what the problem with warthogs is? They're easily damaged.
No. Dang.
I'm sorry. Oh god. No! Bitch! Bitch! You have a fucking dildo. I have a pocket fist. I win. I win. Oh shit, no! 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 No, fuck you. Serpentine! Can't hit for shit. I know. Oh shit. Fuck you. Oh shit. Serpentine. You're really bad at hitting me with that sniper.
Oh, I'm not trying to hit you anymore.
Oh. I was gonna say, you're really garbage if you're still trying. Wait. I got an idea. Oh no! I got
Sure can, and you
Yeah. Got you.
litter and everything.
Yes. Got you. Got you. Not yet. Jesus, my friends are annoying me. Stop. Stop.
I hope I hit you pretty straight in the heart.
Oh, that's fucking nice. Thanks. Talk about fucking...
That's how my warthog feels.
Why are you glitching everywhere? God damn it, dude. I can't get a shot off because you're already shooting at me. Fuck, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Goddamn.
Don't try and hit me.
Oh?
Dude, seriously, don't hit me out of the ear camera.
Alright.
Actually get warthog.
Alright.
By the way, rules have changed. We can go anywhere around the board.
Alright, this is going to be the last time, and then I'm going to end the episode video. I'm so used to saying episode because of the Minecraft shit. Which I'll be posting daily, not twice a day like I did the first couple episodes. It's hard to make both two videos at the same time. Because I gotta work a little bit at the world, you know, gotta go mining, trying to find some resources. All that shit.
Has Reynolds been fixed yet?
What?
Has Reynolds been fixed yet?
I don't know. No, that's coming out with the 8.0, I think. I don't know. I mean, you just have to look it up on YouTube. I mean, I don't know if the ROMs are working yet. If y'all know, please put down in the comments, and be much appreciated. Dude, you realize you're fucked, dude, because I'm just like trailing your ass. Whee! Oh shit.
Nice try.
I realize I'm killing so many fucking pedestrians. I got you. Uh-oh. So many missiles, so little time. Surprise, motherfucker! Yes! Oh my, you were so cannon me! What the fuck?
Come here, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Yeah, come on here, we're gonna fuck each other up. Here, fuck you.
I'm gonna fuck you up, nigga.
Fuck you! Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me and Colby. If you want more Saints Row the You're under the fucking map. What is wrong with you? What the fuck?
I'm free.
You're not even in the fucking water. You're glitched out of the world. Alright guys. Leave a like if you like the Saints Row 3. And I'm gonna demonstrate the Apocalypse. Fuck you. And it gets to a car. Let's see this taxi. Or this car. Fuck. I don't know where the hell you are. Bye, have a great time. Oh shit, I missed. Fuck, I missed again. I need a car that'll stand still. Hey you. Boom. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Click that like button and let's try to get up to 15 likes. I mean, I know I don't get much likes, but we have 25 subscribers. Please get that like rating up to 15, and I will see you guys next time.